Hello students, welcome to this new video on systems of mechanical engineering, that is of CNC machines. In this video, we will have a short look at what do you mean by CNC machine, what are its advantages and disadvantages. Earlier one which have studied what do you mean by the conventional lathe machine, conventional milling machine, conventional drilling machine. But apart from that, right it now the automated machines were coming into the market, and after that when it did now whole world is using the numerical controlled, not numerically controlled, it is computerized numerically controlled machines. NC machine were built in 1940 and 1950s by Professor John T. Parson. CNC machines came into the existence after the evolution of the computer around 1980, but right now they are very popularly used in manufacturing of various components with the help of, as far as their mass production is considered. Modern CNC machines are improving further as the technology is changing with a variety of functions according to its applications. The 3D printing is also one of the very important thing. That is, we cannot say it as a CNC machine, but it is normally working as far as the automated machines are considered. And what do you mean by a numerical control? Numerical control system is the system in which the data handling, its control as far as sequences and its response to the input to input is determined by an onboard computer system at the machine tool. Means machine tool itself is inbuilt with certain kind of computer system. This is the monitor, these are the various controls which are available. One operator can just set up the things as per the requirement of the jobs. There are certain indicators here, that is red, yellow and green as far as this machine operation is considered one, and everything will be automatically done by giving certain kind of programming, that which what amount of material can be cut, what amount of depth of cut can be taken, which kind of material will be used when, which type of tool will be used when, everything will be available here. And after feeding that particular program and after fixing the workpiece inside the work holding device, and then tool will be inside the tool holding device, automatic manufacturing, automatic fabrication, automatic machining of that component can take place. What are the elements of a CNC machine? The CNC machine consists of following six major elements: input device through which the programming of that particular whatever is going to be manufactured, that can be done. Then machine control unit controls all these parameters, that what may be the speed of the workpiece, what may be the speed of the or the feed rate of the tool, what may be the coolant requirement, what may be the requirement as far as the movement of the work table is considered one. So all these kinds of things can be controlled through by giving the input and through machine control unit. Machine tool is nothing but whatever the settings, whatever you are going to do, that is a work holding device. In that one, workpiece can be just placed in proper manner. Tool can be placed in case of tooling, tool holding device. Driving systems, recirculating ball screws are generally used for giving the proper, servo motors are used in case of CNC machine, as far as the very, you can say, precise and accurate movement of the work table, as well as the other parameters are considered one in X direction, in Y, that is in longitudinal transverse, or maybe in Z, that is vertical direction, is considered one. The feedback devices are available, but if anything goes wrong, then the according the changes as far as the velocity of the cutting speed, maybe if, the cutting speed, or maybe the depth of cut, that can be changed as per the feedback devices which are available and through which it can be done. And display unit is available one to see the various changing parameters whenever the operation is going on. So this is the block diagram as far as CNC machine is considered one. This is the machine control unit. Whatever the data which is available one in the form of various G and M codes here. In case of G and M codes, these are the codes which are used in case of CNC machine. Everything will be prepared with the help of this G and M codes, which are put forth as far as the standard, you can say, international standards are considered one. And that part programs are fed to this machine control unit. Machine control unit processes that particular data, and as per that it will be given to the further, as per the requirement, then the motion, that means driving system will work, and which will be operating this particular work holding device, as well as your workpiece will be put. This is the tool actually which is available, but here the workpiece will be put. This is like only the representative. In actual case it will be different one. And then the operations will be going on in this particular machine tool. If anything happens which is not a very accurate one, it will be directly conveyed to this control loop to the machine control unit, and the action will be taken regarding the rotation of the workpiece, regarding the rotation as far as this or the field or depth of cut from the tool. That can be possible one. Another important thing is that whatever the positions or position of the workpiece, velocity of the maybe the workpiece or maybe the other technical parameters that can be continuously made available as from the machine to the machine control unit, and accordingly if anything happens then or miscellaneous function happens, then it will be again just tracked by this control unit, and machine may immediately stop if the things are worsened. And all these things will be displayed with the help of this display unit. So this is a general layout as far as a block diagram of a CNC machine is considered. When you can just explain this thing in very short manner, because you are going to learn these things in your last year as far as mechanical students are considered. When production students are also going to learn this in their maybe the third year or last year. This is the mechanism which is used as far as open and closed loop controls are considered, but that is not a very important one here. Um, Only I will just tell you, in open loop system, the slide may overshoot or may not reach desired position because of inertia, wear and tear of friction, and hence inaccurate machining is there. And there is no closed loop, therefore the system feedback is not unavailable there. But in case of closed loop systems, the position sensors are used to correct the slide movements and achieve higher accuracy and repeatability, as the feedback is given to the machine control unit, and a machine control unit can accurately handle the things in proper manner as per the requirements. Um, CNC machine, that already I have told you that how with the help of G and M codes it is just doing its functions. There are number values and coordinates. Each number or code is assigned to a particular operation. It is typed manually or to a CAD machine by the machine operators, and GM codes are automatically generated by the computer software. So features of CNC machines: the tool or material moves automatically. The tool can operate in 1 to 5 axes. Large machines have the machine control unit which manages operations as per the requirement of the final object. Movement is controlled by the motors, actuators. Feedback is provided by the sensors, that is transducers, with the help of that. And tool maga manages or magazines. Tool magazines are used to change the tool automatically. Okay, as per the requirement. There is no need as far as manual operations are considered. One. So these are the various things as far as CNC machine is considered. We will stop here. The next part, which is not very required one as far as your syllabus is considered. So we will stop. If possible, we will just see that particular topic which is remaining after this particular slide is in our class about the what do you mean by G code, M code, and how the functioning of the CNC can take place in detail if required. One. Thank you very much.